Hey, what's up everyone? It's XZCVB, and today I want to help you be ready before shortages hit. Picture this. You wake up one morning and suddenly the shelves are bare. But if you're prepared, you're not panicking. You're thriving. I'm revealing 13 cheap, high-value Tractor Supply items that smart shoppers are stockpiling right now before the rush. We're talking must-haves for medical care, water storage, lighting, food security, repairs, and even barter value. Let's jump right in and make sure you're prepared for whatever comes next. First up, let's talk first aid kits. At Tractor Supply, you can grab a solid all-purpose kit for under $30. These aren't just a box of Band-Aids. Kits often include trauma pads, antiseptics, burn creams, and even tools for basic wound closure. Most people think of first aid kits as just for cuts and scrapes, but in an emergency, they're barter gold. At 30 days into a supply chain crunch, a kit like this could mean the difference between infection and recovery. Don't just stash it. Know what's inside and how to use each piece. I keep one in my car, my garage, and another inside the house. Because when seconds count, you don't want to dig through boxes. If you don't already have a few, add them to your list today. Next on the list, water storage containers. Tractor Supply offers rugged food-grade containers starting around $15 for a 5-gallon jug, and larger options like 35-gallon barrels for about $65. These are built to last. Thick, UV-resistant plastic that won't crack or leach chemicals. Water is the first thing to disappear in a crisis, and you need at least 1 gallon per person, per day. In a pinch, these containers double as barter items or emergency hand-washing stations. Secure enough water storage now, because when the tap runs dry, you'll be glad you planned ahead. Let's light things up with LED lanterns and flashlights. Tractor Supply sells reliable LED lanterns for around $20 and high-lumen flashlights starting at just $10. Some models run up to 200 hours on a single set of batteries. During blackouts, efficient lighting is non-negotiable for cooking, first aid, or just keeping morale up. Don't underestimate the value of light for security, too. A powerful flashlight is a deterrent. Stash extra batteries and keep flashlights in high-traffic areas. Here's one most people overlook: canned animal feed. At prices as low as $2 per can, this is an affordable backup for your pets or livestock, and it's shelf-stable for up to 2 years. In a true emergency, this is also food security for you and your neighbors. Animal feed can be swapped for other necessities, especially in rural areas. Rotate your stock every 6 to 12 months for freshness. It's inexpensive insurance for your animals, and maybe even your family's survival. Manual hand tools, think hammers, wrenches, screwdrivers, are essential, especially when power tools aren't an option. Tractor Supply offers sturdy hand tools starting as low as $8 for a quality screwdriver set. These last a lifetime if cared for, and unlike battery-powered gadgets, they're always ready. In a supply crunch, being able to fix, build, or improvise repairs keeps your gear working and your home secure. Hand tools are also valuable trade items. Over time, you'll have a kit you can count on when it matters most. Let's talk about propane canisters. These small, portable fuel sources are a lifeline for heating, cooking, and even powering small appliances. At Tractor Supply, you can pick up a standard 16-ounce canister for about $4 and larger tanks for around $30. Propane has an indefinite shelf life if stored properly. Just keep them out of direct sun and upright. When the power's out, hot meals and warmth are serious morale boosters. In a crisis, propane becomes a top-tier barter item. When everyone else is scrambling for firewood, you'll be cooking with gas, literally. Heavy-duty work gloves might seem simple, but they're a must-have for any emergency kit. Tractor Supply's gloves start at $5 a pair, with premium leather options for around $15. In an emergency, you'll be moving debris, fixing fences, or hauling supplies. Gloves also double as barter items. People in a pinch will trade for quality hand protection. I keep multiple pairs spread throughout the house, shed, and car. Invest in a few pairs now, and your hands will thank you when the work gets tough. Now let's talk seeds, your ticket to growing food when grocery stores are empty. Tractor Supply offers heirloom seed packets for as little as $2 a piece. Gardening isn't just a hobby, it's food security. In a long-term crisis, you can feed your family, share with neighbors, or barter fresh produce. Even a small backyard or windowsill can yield surprising amounts of food. Practice now and save seeds from your harvests to multiply your supply. Stock up today and you'll have the ability to create food, not just consume it. Water purification tablets are a tiny investment with massive payoff. At Tractor Supply, you can grab a pack for around $10, and each pack treats up to 25 gallons of water. Tablets have a shelf life of 5 years or more if stored dry. In a crisis, clean water is everything. Tablets let you safely drink from questionable sources, rivers, ponds, or even rainwater. These are a no-brainer for bug-out bags, glove boxes, and home emergency kits. Water purification tablets are the insurance policy you hope you never need, but will be thankful for if you do. Duct tape and repair tape are the Swiss Army knives of emergency supplies. For about $5 a roll at Tractor Supply, you get endless versatility, patching leaks, fixing gear, even improvising shelters. Quality tape stays sticky for years, making it a long-lasting addition to your kit. Beyond repairs, duct tape is valuable for medical uses, splinting fingers, making slings, or sealing wounds in a pinch. Keep several rolls on hand and stash them in your car, toolbox, and emergency supplies. Don't wait until you need it. Grab a few rolls each trip. Solar battery chargers are a game-changer for off-grid power. Tractor Supply offers compact models for $25 and up, with long shelf lives. With a charger, you can power flashlights, radios, phones, and small electronics without relying on the grid. Solar chargers work anywhere there's sun, and most come with adapters for different battery types. In a pinch, you can trade charging time for goods or favors. Invest in a robust charger now, before the next blackout or storm leaves you powerless. Canning jars and lids are essentials for food preservation. At Tractor Supply, wide-mouth quart jars start at $12 for a 12-pack, and lids run about $4 per box. Canning isn't just for Grandma's pickles, it's how you turn a garden bounty into year-round meals. Properly canned food lasts 1 to 2 years, and even empty jars become valuable barter items. Beyond food, jars can store medical supplies, seeds, or even act as makeshift lanterns. Stock up while they're cheap, and you'll never be short on storage or preservation options. Last but not least, fire starters and matches. For just $3 to $7 at Tractor Supply, you can pick up waterproof matches, ferro rods, or magnesium fire starters. These have an almost infinite shelf life if kept dry, and they're critical for warmth, cooking, and morale. In a survival situation, fire does more than cook food. It sterilizes water, wards off animals, and signals for help. Fire starters are compact, reliable, and easily traded for other supplies. Fire is life, and for a few bucks you can guarantee you'll always have the spark you need. That wraps up our list of 13 must-have Tractor Supply items for smart shoppers. Remember, the time to act is before shortages hit, not after. Every item we talked about today is practical, affordable, and proven to help you stay a step ahead when disruptions strike. I'd love to hear what other must-have items you keep on hand. Drop your recommendations in the comments below. Stay smart, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next video.